Thank you for joining in today. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so then you can get notifications on all my new weekly art lessons. And for today's video, I have Riverdale's finest, the Gargoyle King. I'm going to start off here. Well, I have a light pencil drawing, and I had to look at quite a few different pictures to actually put this creature together, because even if you try to find stuff online, some of the features are very hidden and you can't really make out what's what. So I did the best that I could here, and obviously in the end here you'll see what I came up with. For the face, it definitely has the horns and somewhat of a a devilish combination of almost like a horse mouth type of deal with the nose and then the jaw structure. And then it has the long ratty cape, and then there's some weird tribal or maybe like ritual bones or something. There's two necklaces also that are visible, and then of course you have the longer branches stemming out from the back, and the arms are coming out through the holes on each side and the lower drapey material sections there. When you're shading certain areas to add a little bit more depth and dimension, you can add a little extra for, there's about roughly 3 branches on each side that they almost look like weird wings up through the back there. So you want those to stand out and be a little bit darker than the rest of them. The other ones will look a little bit light and wispy. They're kind of all just entangled in each other. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe and like the video.